Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So first, get your charger and a cable and check for any damage or compatibility. So as you guys can see, I've got the charger right here. This is not the original one. I use the original one for charging. I do not have it right now. But here for an example, we need to look for the damage here or maybe the damage in the cable. And we need to make sure that this is compatible. If it's original, then it is. But if not, then check for compatibility with fast charging. And now what you guys can do is clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. So we got the charging port right here, as you guys can see, and we need to clean it with a soft brush, for example, but do not use anything metallic. You can only damage the port even more and it will be very bad. So what you guys can do next is make sure that fast charging is enabled in the settings. So whenever you go into the settings, then you need to scroll down until you see the battery right here. And here, scroll until you see charging settings. Now the charging settings are right here, and make sure that the fast charging and fast wireless charging is enabled. If you're not using the wireless charging, you guys can disable it, but I recommend using the fast charging, the normal one. It's much faster and better. Now what you guys can do is test another fast charger or an outlet one, and as a last resort you can update your software to fix any charging issues. So go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down until you guys see the software update, and here click download and install. Now it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of my software. And if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.